Life is unpredictable. Like a ship on rough seas, we can feel lost. Uncertainty surrounds us. Fear and doubt creep in. We are not alone in this. Everyday worries become magnified. Job security, relationships, health, all come into question. We crave stability, a beacon in the darkness. But the storm rages on. The first step is acknowledging the storm. We must name our fears. Only then can we begin to navigate them. Even in chaos, there is a still point within us, a place of peace, where the noise fades away and clarity emerges. Our breath is our anchor. It is always there, grounding us in the present moment. With each inhale, we draw in calmness, and with each exhale, we release tension. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, inhale slowly, exhale completely. Feel the air fill your lungs and then let it go. Repeat. Feel the tension ease. Notice how your body responds, how your mind begins to quiet. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer. Find what centers you. A walk in nature, feeling the earth beneath your feet. Music that soothes the soul. Let the melodies wash over you, bringing tranquility and joy. A conversation with a loved one, sharing thoughts, feelings, and moments of connection. These are your anchors in the storm. Hold on to them and let them guide you back to your center. History whispers tales of resilience. People who faced adversity with courage and emerged stronger. Anne Frank, writing her diary in hiding, found solace in words. Nelson Mandela, imprisoned for decades, held on to his dream of equality. Their stories remind us, even in darkness, hope can bloom. Look around you. Everyday heroes walk among us. The single mother juggling work and family. The student overcoming challenges to pursue their dreams. They are beacons of hope. Charting your course. Uncertainty is a part of life. It's like the unpredictable weather. Sometimes calm, sometimes stormy. We cannot control the wind, but we can adjust our sails. This means adapting to circumstances and making the best of what we have. Focus on what you can control. Your thoughts, your actions, your responses. These are your tools to navigate through life. Break down your worries into smaller steps. Write them down, organize them, and tackle them one by one. What is the next right thing to do? Sometimes it's just about taking the next small step forward. Take it one step at a time. Celebrate small victories. Each step forward is progress. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Cultivate gratitude. Appreciate the journey and the small wins along the way. Each day, find 3 things to be grateful for. It could be as simple as a smile from a stranger or a beautiful flower, a warm bed, a loving pet, a beautiful sunset. These small moments bring joy and contentment. Gratitude shifts our perspective, reminding us of the good. It helps us see the beauty in everyday life. Embracing the calm. Finding peace in chaos is a journey. It requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to look within. It is a practice, not a destination. Each moment of calm is a step forward. There will be moments of doubt, moments of fear. Embrace them. They are teachers in disguise. They are part of the human experience. The storm will pass, and clarity will follow. The sun will rise again, bringing new opportunities and hope. Trust in the rhythm of life. It has its own way of balancing itself. Trust in your own resilience. You have weathered storms before and emerged stronger. You are stronger than you think. Your inner strength is boundless. Within you lies a wellspring of peace. Tap into it whenever you need. Go within, find it, nurture it, let it grow and flourish, and share it with the world. Your peace can inspire others. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and share it with a friend. And remember to subscribe to The Moving Window for more uplifting content.